Hello and welcome to a new quick video. So what you see here is a Meshtastic web app written with FastAPI as backend and Svelte as frontend. As backend it uses sqlmodel, so it is a persistent database. And if you see, we already have the list of nodes, and it goes over 100 nodes because having a persistent database I can save all the nodes and messages. So at the moment, the front end is just this with the node list. If you see here, there is some node details such as the battery level, voltage, the uptime from the short name column, and on the node ID column, there is other information such as the node number, the SNR, and the last third timestamp like this. And my idea for the board column, now it's not implemented because if you click on it, it just repeats the short name, the content of the short name column. But my idea is to put some board information, some generic board information. So I was working on that. So the only thing this web app can do at the moment is to list the nodes and some basic information to connect and disconnect to the radio. You see here, takes a few seconds to connect. These are just dummy menus, so they're doing nothing. They are doing nothing at the moment. Anyway, the FastAPI backend is served on its default port 8000. These are all the endpoints, and it's very useful because I can go here and see, for example, the nodes I just showed you. Okay, here, for example, there are all the nodes. Okay, this is the basic node information. I can do a query, okay, and see the result here. Okay, so it's very simple to use once you define your endpoints and your models in the database. And if I want those node user information, I just go to this other endpoint. Still click here on try out. I have all the information here. Now using FastAPI is very intuitive. Of course, the reason to create a different app instead of using the default web app provided by Meshtastic is that this is persistent and the default one is not. So if you close the web browser and you reopen the app, everything is reset. I mean the messages, and mostly the problem is with the messages which are cleared out. Here I have the text decoded message, the text decoded endpoint. So I can do try out. Yeah, at the moment it's empty because since the last one nobody sent a message, but this already works, at least for the public channel. I think it's all for this video, and I'll keep you updated for any news about this. And I'll probably put the source code public very soon on Codeberg, so stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye bye.